Thanks for choosing Skylink. Now today, we're going to install Adams Skylink Net-enabled garage door opener with a sectional rail system for a chain drive on a sectional garage door. On the center line, note the highest point of travel for your garage door and mark 1.5 to 2 inches above that point. If you have a one-piece garage door, please consult the instruction manual for more information. Center the bracket on the center line. The bottom edge of the bracket should align with your marking. With your power tools, drill 2 3/16-inch pilot holes and then attach the header bracket with the 2 lag screws that are provided for you. Do not mount the header bracket upside down. Reposition the opener to lean against the header bracket. Connect the pulley bracket to the header bracket by sliding a clevis pin through both brackets, securing with the hitch pin. Raise the opener and rest it on top of a ladder. Attach the opener to the drop brackets, ensuring that the rail is centered over the door. Install the door bracket on the reinforced area on the center of the garage door's top panel. Refer to your installation guide for proper location and attachment methods. With a sectional door, connect the curved door arm to the door bracket with a clevis pin and hitch pin. Then, connect the straight door arm to the trolley with the clevis pin and the hitch pin. With a one-piece door, you'll want to consult your instruction manual for more information. Connect the 2 door arms together. Select holes far apart from each other to increase the arm's rigidity. Congratulations! You've installed your garage door opener. Wall console and safety sensor installation. Thanks so much for choosing Skylink. The Adams Skylink Net-enabled deluxe wall console and the safety sensors. Now remember, this video is for demonstration purposes only. Step 1. To install the wall console, let's start by connecting the bell wires to your wall console by screwing them into the back of the console. The wires are not polarity sensitive. Step 2. Mount the console onto the wall. Step 3. Route the remaining bell wire up the wall to the opener. Then, secure the bell wire with the included wire holders. Step 4. Connect the wires to the opener's green terminals with the wall button icon. The terminals are not polarity sensitive either. Then place 1 wire into the positive and 1 wire into the negative terminal. Congratulations on installing your garage door wall console. We're going to install the safety sensors. Step 1. Mount the bracket onto the door track on either side of the garage, between 4 and 6 inches above the ground. If it doesn't mount, you'll want to consult the instruction manual for other installation options. Step 2. Route the remaining wire up the wall to the opener. Twist the like-colored wires together and insert them into the green terminals with the safety sensor icon. These terminals are not polarity sensitive either. Step 3. Plug in your AC power cord into an approved power source. The red light on the safety sensor should turn on. Step 4. When the safety beams are aligned, the receiving blue sensor should have a continuous blue LED light that's visible. Congratulations on installing your garage door safety sensors. Program the travel limits, force, and wireless controls. Thanks so much for choosing Skylink. Today, we're going to program the Adams Skylink Net-enabled garage door travel limits, the force, and wireless controls. Remember, this video is for demonstration purposes only. Step 1. To set the travel limits, let's go ahead and start by plugging your garage door opener into an approved power source. Step 2. Press and hold the set button for 5 seconds until the LED displays the number 1. Step 3. Press and hold the up button until the door is fully open. Step 4. Press the set button to confirm the upward distance. The LED will display the number 2. Step 5. Press and hold the down button until the door is fully closed. When it's close to the ground, tap the down button until it's fully closed. Step 6. Press the set button to set the upward distance. The LED will display the number 3. Step 7. Go ahead and press the wall button to let the garage door run through its opening cycle. The LED will display the number 4. Step 8. Press the wall button again and let the garage door run through its closing cycle. The LED display will turn off. Congratulations! You've just programmed your garage door travel limits. Now, we're going to program your wireless controllers. Step 1. Press the set button on the opener for 1 second. The LED will display the letter P. Step 2. Press the button on the remote that you would like to program. You'll hear a beep when it's successfully programmed. That's it! Congratulations on programming your handheld remote. Next, we're going to program the wireless keypad. Step 1. Press the set button on the opener for 1 second. The LED will display the letter P. Step 2. Type in your chosen 4-digit PIN code and then the number sign. You'll hear a beep when it's successfully programmed. Well, that was easy. Congratulations on programming all of your remotes.